Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest tech gadgets and electronics. Today, we have something truly remarkable to dissect: the Samsung QN65LST7TAFXZA 65-inch, the Terrace QLED 4K UHD HDR Smart TV bundle. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the star of the show, the Samsung Terrace QLED 4K UHD HDR Smart TV. With a screen size of 65 inches, this TV is perfect for outdoor spaces, whether it's your backyard, patio, or poolside retreat. What sets the Samsung Terrace TV apart is its weather-resistant durability. Rated IP55, this TV can withstand the elements, ensuring that your outdoor viewing experience is uninterrupted, rain or shine. Not only is the Terrace TV built to last, but it also delivers stunning picture quality thanks to its quantum processor 4K and direct full-array 16x technology. You'll enjoy vivid colors, deep blacks, and incredible detail with every frame. But what's a great TV without equally impressive sound? That's where the Samsung Terrace soundbar comes in. With Dolby 5.1 channel audio, this soundbar delivers immersive sound that complements the stunning visuals of the Terrace TV. The Terrace soundbar is designed to seamlessly integrate with the TV, providing a clutter-free setup that enhances your outdoor entertainment space. Plus, with Bluetooth headset support, you can enjoy your favorite content without disturbing the neighbors. Whether you're hosting a backyard movie night or relaxing by the pool, the Samsung Terrace TV bundle elevates your outdoor entertainment experience to new heights. And with the added peace of mind of a 2-year extended protection plan, you can enjoy your investment with confidence. That's all for today's review of the Samsung Terrace TV bundle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy watching.